Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon all of you. Welcome all of you to the path of Arabic language. Arabic language is the key of Quran and Sunnah. So, we should know the Arabic language to understand the Quran and Sunnah. So, let's start Arabic language class. We are starting today At-Tariqu ilal Arabiyya. Babul Awwalu, first chapter, Ad-Darsu Thani, second lesson. First chapter, second lesson, Ad-Darsu Thani, second lesson. Jadidun, Jadidatun means new. Jadidun, Jadidatun means new. Jamilun, Jamilatun, beautiful. Jamilun, Jamilatun, beautiful. Sagirun, Sagiratun, small. Sagirun, Sagiratun, small. Qadimun, Qadimatun, old. Qadimun, Qadimatun means old. Kabirun, Kabiratun means big. Kabirun, Kabiratun means big. Jayyidun, Jayyidatun means good. Jayyidun, Jayyidatun means good. Jadidun, Jadidatun new. Jamilun, Jamilatun beautiful. Sagirun, Sagiratun small. Qadimun, Qadimatun old. Kabirun, Kabiratun big. Jayyidun, Jayyidatun good. New, Jadidun, Jadidatun beautiful. Jamilun, Jamilatun small. Sagirun, Sagiratun old. Qadimun, Qadimatun big. Kabirun, Kabiratun good. Jayyidun, Jayyidatun. We should memorize it properly. Next we have Kitabun, Jadidun. Kitabun means a book. Jadidun, new. Kitabun, Jadidun, a new book. Kitabun means a book. Jadidun, Jadidun means new. Kitabun, Jadidun, a new book. Kitabun is a noun and Jadidun is a adjective. So Kitabun, Jadidun. In Arabic, Mausuf and Sifat. In Arabic, Kitabun, Mausuf, Kitabun, Isim. Here Kitabun, a Isim and a Mausuf. Jadidun, Sifat. Mausuf, Sifat. In English, Kitabun, noun and Jadidun adjective. Kitabun, Jadidun, a new book. Kurrasatun, Jadidatun. Kurrasatun means a notebook. Jadidatun means new. Jadidun, Jadidatun means new. Kurrasatun, Jadidatun means a new notebook. Kurrasatun. Here we have this letter and same letter we have here, here we have same letter. Kurrasatun noun, jadidatun adjective. Noun and adjective must be same category. Noun and adjective must be same category. Read the following two words together and say the meaning. Read the following two words together and say the meaning. Alamun jamilun. Alamun means a flag. Alamun means a flag. Mirwahatun means a fan. Mirwahatun a fan. Hadikatun a garden. Hadikatun a garden. Alamun a flag. Mirwahatun a fan. Hadikatun a garden. Alamun a type of female word. Mirwahatun hadikatun. Now alamun a type of alamun is type of male word. Mirwahatun hadikatun female word. Alamun jamilun a beautiful flag. A beautiful flag. Alamun jamilun a beautiful flag. Hadikatun jamilatun. Hadikatun jamilatun a beautiful garden. Here hadikatun jamilatun same category. Or here alamun jamilun same category. Hadikatun jamilatun a new garden. Kuflun jayidun a good lock. Kuflun means lock, a lock. Jayidun good. Kuflun jayidun a good lock. Mirwahatun jayidatun a good fan. Mirwahatun means fan. Jayidatun good, a good fan. Masjidun kabirun a big mosque. Masjidun means big. Masjidun means a mosque. Kabirun means big. Masjidun kabirun a big mosque. Madrasatun kabiratun a big school. A big madrasa, a big school. Baitun sagiratun a small house. Baitun sagiratun a small house. Hujratun sagiratun baitun sagirun. Hujratun sagiratun. Hujratun sagiratun a small room. A small room. Misbahun qadimun a old lamp. Misbahun qadimun a old light or a old lamp. Sa'atun qadimatun a old watch. Sa'atun qadimatun a old watch. Number B. In its spaces put appropriate word and say the meaning. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words and say meaning. Midollatun means an umbrella. Midollatun means an umbrella. So midollatun we have this letter. So midollatun qadimatun, midollatun sagiratun, मिदल्लातुन कदीमातुन an old umbrella, मिदल्लातुन सगीरातुन an small umbrella. मिफ्ताहुन सगीरुन, मिफ्ताहुन means a key, सगीरुन small, a small key. बायतुन सगीरुन, बायतुन जामीलुन, बायतुन सगीरुन means a small house, बायतुन जामीलुन means a beautiful house. नज़ारतुन means sunglass, eyeglass. नज़ारतुन means eyeglass. नज़ारतुन सगीरतुन a small eyeglass. नज़ारतुन जामीलतुन a beautiful eyeglass. नज़ारतुन जय्यिदतुन a good eyeglass. मिरवाहतुन means a fan. मिरवाहतुन कदीमातुन a old fan. मिरवाहतुन कबीरतुन a big fan, etc. कदीमुन means old. मस्जिदुन कदीमुन a old mosque. किताबुन कदीमुन a old book, etc. सगीरतुन means small. madrasatun सगीरतुन a small madrasa, a small school. kurrasatun सगीरतुन a small notebook, etc. jayyidun means good. kurrasatun jayyidatun a good notebook. madrasatun jayyidatun a good madrasa, etc. kabirun big, kabirun means big. baitun kabirun a big house or masjidun kabirun a big mosque, etc. jamilun means beautiful. miftahun jamilun a beautiful key. kuflun jamilun a beautiful lock, etc. sabburatun means a blackboard. sabburatun nazifatun means clean, a clean blackboard. sabburatun sagiratun a small blackboard, etc. jayyidun means good. miftahun jayyidun a good key. etc. babun kabirun a big door. hujratun sagiratun a small room, etc. kabiratun means big. madrasatun kabiratun a big mosque. madrasatun kabiratun a big madrasa, a big school, etc. hada kitabun jadidun. hada means this. kitabun a book, jadidun new. hada kitabun jadidun, this is a new book or it's a new book. hada kitabun jadidun, it's a new book or this is a new book. hada kitabun, this is a book. hada kitabun jadidun, this is a new book. Hada kitabun, it's a book. Hada kitabun jadidun, it's a new book. Tilka sa'atun, that's a watch. Tilka sa'atun jadidatun, that's a new watch. Dalika alamun, that's a flag. Dalika alamun jamilun, that's a beautiful flag. Hadihi mirwahatun, it's a fan, or this is a fan. Hadihi mirwahatun, it's a good fan. Tilka haqibatun sagiratun, that's a small bag. Tilka haqibatun jamilatun, that's a beautiful bag. That's a small bag, that's a beautiful bag. Hada baitun sagirun, it's a small house. Hada baitun sagirun, it's a small house. Dhalika masjidun kabirun, that's a big mosque. Dhalika masjidun kabirun, that's a big masjid. Hadihi midallatun qadimatun, it's an old umbrella. Hadihi midallatun qadimatun, it's a old umbrella. Tilka nazaratun jadidatun, that's a new sunglass. That's a new eyeglass, or that's a new spectacles. Hada sarirun, this is a cot, or this is a bed. Hada sarirun, this is a bed, or this is a cot. Dhalika kuflun, that's a lock. That's a lock. Here we have some new word. We should memorize it. Firashun, a bed. Firashun means a bed. Firashun means a bed. Qamisun, a shirt. Qamisun means a shirt. Libasun, a dress. Libasun means a dress. Mindilun, a hanky. Mindilun means a hanky. Firashun, a bed. Qamisun, a shirt. Libasun, a dress. Mindilun, a hanky. Wisadatun means a pillow. Wisadatun means a pillow. Qalangsuatun, a cap. Imamatun, a turban. Imamatun, a turban. Hidaun, a shoe. Hidaun, a shoe. Wisadatun means a pillow. Qalangsuatun means a cap. Imamatun, a turban. Hidaun, a shoe. Firashun, a bed. Qamisun, a shirt. Libasun, a dress. Mindilun, a hanky. Wisadatun, a pillow. Qalangsuatun, a cap. Imamatun, a turban. Hidaun, a shoe. Hada masjidun jadidun, it's a new mosque, or this is a new mosque. Hada kuflun jayyidun, it's a good lock. It's a good lock. Hada firashun nadifun, it's a clean. It's a neat and clean. Neat or clean. It's a clean bed. It's a neat bed. Tilka hujratun nazifatun. Nazifatun means clean. Nazifatun, nazifatun means clean. Wasikhatun means dirty. Nazifatun clean. Wasikhatun means dirty. Tilka hujratun nazifatun, that's a clean room. That's a clean room. Dhalika mindilun sagirun. Dhalika mindilun sagirun, that's a small hanky. That's a small hanky. Hadihi imamatun jadidatun, it's a new turban, it's a new turban. Hada qamisun jadidun, it's a new shirt, it's a new shirt. Tilka qalansuatun jadidatun, that's a new cap, that's a new cap. Hada libasun nadifun, hada libasun nadifun, it's a clean dress, it's a clean dress. Dhalika hidaun sagirun, dhalika hidaun sagirun, that's a small shoe, that's a small shoe. Hadihi husadatun, hadihi husadatun jamilatun, hadihi husadatun jamilatun, it's a beautiful bed, it's a beautiful pillow, it's a beautiful pillow. Dhalika miftahun sagirun, dhalika miftahun sagirun, that's a small lock, that's a small lock. Hadihi sabburatun wasikhatun, wasikhatun means dirty. Hadihi, it's a dirty blackboard, it's a dirty blackboard, or this is a dirty blackboard. Dhalika mindilun wasikhun, dhalika mindilun wasikhun, that's a dirty hanky, that's a dirty hanky. Hada masjidun jadidun, hada kuflun jayyidun, hada firashun nadifun, tilka hujratun nadifatun, tilka mindilun sagirun, hadihi imamatun jadidatun, hada qamisun jadidun, tilka qalansuatun jadidatun, hada libasun nadifun, dhalika hidaun sagirun, hadihi wisadatun jamilatun, tilka miftahun sagirun, hadihi sabburatun wasikhatun, dhalika mindilun wasikhun. Number C. Speak Arabic as above by pointing to different objects. Speak Arabic as above by pointing to different objects. We should try it. We have finished our second lesson. Then we will start next day ad-darsu salisu, third lesson will be start. So all of you invited to the next lesson. Will be fine. Thanks for watching with me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.